Hey everyone, in this video, let's compare RemNote with Notion. In order to do so, here we are in the App Store for iOS. Let's go ahead and take a look at RemNote first. We have RemNote with pretty good ratings here, 4.8 out of 156 ratings. So that already is looking pretty good. And what do we have with RemNote? Well, we have notes and flashcards. Let's go ahead and take a look at the preview here. One workspace for thinking and learning, think and learn all in one tool. So we have here a example of how the notes are going to look in RemNote. We can link your notes, connect your ideas, grow your knowledge. We can learn with flashcards, create flashcards directly from your notes and learn on the go. It also works offline, so you can be sure that you're not going to get stuck here if you don't have an internet access. You can still access RemNotes. You can organize your information, quickly access your most important documents, plan your day with daily documents, and it works on all your devices. So you can pick up on desktop where you left off on mobile. So that is a important feature. So pretty much with RemNote, you're not going to have a bad app if you use RemNote. It is free. You can get that right now on the App Store. Let's go ahead and compare that with Notion. With Notion, what we have here is similar ratings, 4.8, but this is out of almost 8,000 ratings. So already we can tell that Notion appears to be the popular option that's on the App Store right now. So you're not going to necessarily have a bad uh, time with RemNote if you decide to go in that direction. If you want to try them both out and see which one you prefer, then that's not a bad idea. And you can see here with RemNote, we can write, plan, organize with AI at your side. So that's going to be the major difference between RemNote and Notion. Notion has built-in AI tools that you can use with your notes. So you have your docs, notes, tasks, and projects, and more. And every question can be answered with Notion AI. So this is a different kind of note taker. And I can already see here why it is that Notion has so many reviews and so many users. Seems like they are doing something quite unique here. You can collaborate with your team. It's a space to capture your ideas. Never miss a task or deadline. More productivity, fewer tools. You've got your AI, docs, projects, wikis, and calendar. So head over to the App Store, take a look, and try out RemNote, try out Notion. But I think in this case, if I was just to say what I would prefer just by looking at the pages here, Notion is probably going to be the one that I'm going to take a look at. You know, it's kind of sad maybe when you have a an app that is doing something good but it has much less reviews, so people are going to tend to go to the one that has the higher ratings, higher reviews. But in this case, Notion really is doing something special, so I'd say go give that a check. Check that out over there on the App Store. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.